of tonight is to select a waiata, the tune of a waiata that you already know, and place kupu Māori in it. So what we've done is we've chosen Upoko Pakihiwi Turi Waiwai, that waiata. If you don't know it, it goes Upoko Pakihiwi Turi Waiwai, Upoko Pakihiwi Turi Waiwai, Upoko Pakihiwi Turi Waiwai, Taringa Karu Ihu Waha E. So we're taking that waiata, and we've taken the things that we labelled last night and we have applied them. We've taken these words and we've put them to the tune of Upoko Pakihiwi Turi Waiwai. And ko Emily tēnei, ko Emily Tākuri Rāmatu. This is Emily, she's my niece. And she has been learning her items in the kitchen, and she's been doing awesome. Aye, you've been wonderful at learning your kupu. So what we've done is we've sung the waiata through using these items. So here we have miraka, tikera, kapu, preti, naihi, pauka, pune. So we've substituted the words in Upoko Pakihiwi with these ones. So we've been going mirakati kera kapu preti, mirakati kera kapu preti, mirakati kera kapu preti, naihi pauka pune e. And we've been just singing that through, and Emily's found it lots of fun. So then what we started doing, when we were a little bit more familiar with the waiata, we started taking labels away. And so we had to keep singing it and would remove a label each time. So that's what we've done. Now what we're going to do is going to challenge my brother to a battle.
Diddy.
Hara mai, Paul. Ko Paul tēnei, ko tōku tingane ia. Yeah, he tino teitei ia, he tino poto ahau. So this is my brother Paul. Yes, he's tall, I'm short. Kei te pai. It's the luck of the draw. So we're going to try and sing this through as fast as we can. And the first one to stumble,
They get bubbles.
they get bubbles. They lose. Ka hinga. Okay, so we'll start off just slow, singing it, and then we'll progress to a little bit faster. Ka pai?
Ka pai.
Okay. Toru, wha. Mirakati kera kapu pereti, mirakati kera kapu pereti, mirakati kera kapu pereti, naihi pauka pune e. Okay, anō, toru, wha. Mirakati kera kapu pereti, mirakati kera kapu pereti, mirakati kera kapu pereti, naihi pauka pune e. Okay, a little bit faster this time. Toru, wha. Mirakati kera kapu pereti, mirakati kera kapu pereti, mirakati kera kapu pereti, naihi pauka pune e. Did I hear a little bit of a hinga there? Ka pai. So, if you're learning your words, substitute them in a song. Use a waiata, the tangi of a waiata that you already know, and put it along to the words that you're learning. Repetition is great. And Emily here just learnt 7 of her kupu ho, 7 new words in a very short amount of time. So it's very effective. So kia ora, Emily, thank you for helping me tonight. You want to mihi atu kia rātou? Say kia ora, everybody.
Dada.
Thanks, Paul.
Who wins?
Ka kite anō,
Ka
hei a
kite.
pōpō. See you tomorrow night.